So this is how you install Screencastify onto your Chromebook. First of all, you need to go to the Chrome web store. So you're going to go chrome.google.com and then / web store. And then once you're in, you're going to search for Screencastify. There we go. And we're going to add that to Chrome. We're going to add the extension. There'll be a slight delay. This part will depend a little bit on how fast your internet connection is. If you're on a slow connection, it might take a little bit longer. All right, so now that's added. So we can go ahead, we can close that little window there, and then I can click on it. Now there's some setup steps we need to do first. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. Again, there will be a little bit of a delay. So this part is just checking it's okay to use your microphone and your camera and to add some drawing annotation tools. So we're going to make sure both of those are checked. We're going to go next. We're going to allow them. And then we're going to go allow again. And then we're in. And then when we're ready to start recording, it's a good idea to make sure you're on the correct page where you want to start. And then you go ahead, and when you're ready to start recording, you click this button here. That's all for this video. I'll create another video for you to explain how to actually do some recording inside Screencastify. If you have trouble installing Screencastify, make sure you contact me. Later.